Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Thursday, July 21st, 2016. And we're here at 22843 Southwest Taylor Court in Sherwood. And we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line, and as you can see, we're outside of the home. I'm talking a little louder than I usually would because we're right next to an air conditioner that's running. But anyway, our sewer line access point, or clean out, is just off to the side of the air conditioner. Here we are. It's a 3-inch ABS plastic line. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there. Get that pointed in the right direction, and we'll go ahead and zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. And we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1993, and we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era, so I do expect to see all modern material all the way out to and including in the street. As I mentioned, currently we're inside of a 3-inch black ABS plastic line. Probably make a transition or two to different materials before we get out to the city main in the street. You'll notice on the lower left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see some water trickling along the bottom of the pipe, and that's because I have some water on in the house at the kitchen sink. The reason we run this water is so we can see the slope of the pipe, see how the water reacts to the lining itself. And just as I mentioned, here at just about 42 feet, we do make a transition to a different colored material. This is known as 3034 PVC. Properties of 3034 are similar to ABS, at least as far as the functionality of the line. 3034 tends to be used underneath rights-of-way, such as streets and sidewalks, planting strips, and it also tends to be used in the street for the main sewer lines themselves. ABS tends to be a little more brittle, a little less forgiving, and the PVC tends to be a little bit more flexible and can take a little more abuse. And here we are, just a smidge over 92 feet. We are looking into the city main. If I drop the camera in here, you'll see some water rushing by. That's from other homes along the street that are using water. So here at 92 feet, we are finished with our inspection, and the good news is I didn't see anything that concerns me along my trip to the main. So therefore I'm going to go ahead and close out the video now. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear the sewer line is functioning very well. Thank you.